Hi, how are you doing? Today we are going to draw a nice circle scenery. You can see I have already drawn a circle here. Inside it, we're going to draw very nice scenery. So I'm going to put some landscape here, which is going to be very nice. And you can see there's little bit carved outlines here. Okay, putting it like this. All right. So putting the taller trees here, usually in the mountain areas, you can see the tall pine trees. So one here, another one on the side. Okay, and usually the top of these trees are a little bit pointy. So the graphics you can see here, there's going to be the pointy graphics, and as it comes to the bottom, it becomes little bit wider. Okay, so going to the next one, it's also the same types of tree leaves and the pointy tops on it. Okay, all right, on the pointy tops. And few grasses you can just put on the ground, putting few strokes and drawing like me. Okay, for the reflections on the water, you can have something on the ground like this one. Okay, and here you can see that I'm going to draw another outline, which is just a little bit curved and just going to the mountains. Okay, just drawing another separate point and putting the taller trees, lots of them, and it's getting smaller because of the perspective as it progresses to the mountains. So nearer the mountains it becomes smaller, and you can see other trees here. And the details just going to draw with the pencils. So those are far distance, and you can have the details, just putting the few strokes. Okay, all right. For the water body and the reflections, you can put some reflections on the water and making the variable shades. That's how the little bit darker to the corner and little bit lighter shades as it progresses to the middle point. Okay, you can see some shades on the water of the trees. Okay, all right, those are the reflections on the water. So you can see the reflections. For the mountains in a far distance, you can just have a nice color for the mountains. Okay, so let's draw the outlines for the top portions of the mountains here. So it's going to be the peak, and then coming downwards, then going to another peak, and again coming downwards. Okay, so two peaks here. In the middle, we're going to uh, draw a separation points. Okay, and here also drawing another separation points in the middle. All right, as you know, the sun has a shades, so one side is going to be the facing the sun, and another side is going to be the opposite of the sun. That's why you can see the shades variations. For one sides of the mountains becomes brighter, and one sides of the mountains become darker. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. But you can put little bit shades in some places because the contour of the mountains isn't always the plane. So sometimes you can see the contour is a little bit rough and there may be ups and downs to the whole body of the mountains. Okay, with a pencil you can just put some, other details. Okay, putting the details to the border lines. Another details on this side to the border lines. Okay, all right. Here you can see. All right. With the color pencil, sometimes we're going to emphasize the main branches. Okay, and also draw another branch here. Okay, so the drawing is almost finished, and just few details at the last time. All right, everything looks good. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.